Today I will tell you about the Amazon rainforest. So let's start. The rainforest is named after the Amazon River, the lifeline of the forest. The Amazon rainforest, also a tropical rainforest, as it is situated in the tropical region. The Amazon rainforest is one of the last remaining services of harpy eagles, pink dolphins, and jaguars. Harpy means a very large crested eagle of tropical rainforest. Amazon rainforest is responsible for contributing significant levels of oxygen to the world and also consumes high level of carbon dioxide. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you could get a notification of my newly posted videos. Bye.